Hi, I'm Emmanuel Costa, CTO and co-founder of Bankin Bridge. Bankin is the leading app in Europe to better manage your money. It's a B2C activity with several features to help you manage your budget. Bridge is the technological engine of Bankin. It helps you synthesize, aggregate your financial data. It also helps to make payments and transfer to several customers we have. If, like us, security is a key part of your business, you need to think about security at every stage of the project. We use a simple framework called Security by Design. Security by Design is implementing security even before implementing the project. You have a simple framework with 3 questions. What are my most critical pieces of data? What are your internet-facing exponents? And what attackers or malicious people can do with your system? And you need to plan and prevent every issue here. So your cloud security needs to be well documented. It needs to be automated. To do automation, you can use great tools like infrastructure as code with AWS CloudFormation or Terraform. And finally, it needs to be auditable. And we have great tools like AWS Security Hub or AWS Config. We chose AWS from the very beginning of the company. Why? Because security is embedded in every services. Thanks to KMS, you can encrypt in transit or at rest, cache, database, etc. You also have great tools to audit, like I said, AWS Config, but you have a Security Hub to concentrate on aggregates all alerts that come from every services you're going to use. I think we should have moved sooner to an infrastructure as code tool, because at first we were doing all by hands, and infrastructure as code like CloudFormation help you create great templates with security, and you can replicate them for every part of your infrastructure. The future is looking bright for Bankin and Bridge. For Bankin, we're going to help you even better manage your money by providing and distributing financial products. And for Bridge, we're going to help our customer build an even better, more efficient, more transparent new financial ecosystem based on open banking.
At AWS, we say that security is job zero. This means that it's even more important than any other number 1 priority. Security is everyone's responsibility. While AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud, protecting the infrastructure, this includes the hardware, software, networking, and facilities that runs all the AWS services, customers are responsible for the security in the cloud. The selected AWS cloud services you leverage will determine your responsibilities. For example, a service such as AWS Lambda, a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers, requires less expensive activities. No need to patch the guest operating system, for example. You are responsible for managing your data, classifying your assets, and applying the appropriate permissions. In addition to the most comprehensive compliance offering, AWS provides a wide variety of services, best practices, white papers, and hands-on labs to support and ease your security journey with AWS.